At Guy's Air Conditioning and Heating, we're often asked why heating maintenance is so important. A furnace or HVAC system can break down at any time. Preventative measures reduce the risk of an emergency when you need the system the most, such as during a bitter cold night. We often receive emergency calls that involve older heating systems and broken parts that we would have easily noticed during a seasonal maintenance appointment. Older systems lose efficiency after approximately 10 years. Parts can cause overheating because of dirt, defect, and wear. The cost of cleaning the system or replacing a part is far less than the cost of an emergency call. For more than 35 years, our neighbors in Houston, Texas and surrounding areas have chosen us as their trusted HVAC contractor. For more information or to schedule an appointment, call us at 281-306-9875 today.